If you own a small business, you need a website and mobile presence to establish credibility, attract new customers, and sell your products and services online. You know you need one, but you probably think you lack the time or the skills to create a quality website on your own and keep it updated. Parallels Web Presence Builder gives you the confidence and tools to quickly and easily build a great-looking website in minutes. Select a business topic and start near the finish line with a ready-to-edit website already configured with images, text, and navigation for your business type. Change text and add images and videos using the WYSIWYG editor and drag-and-drop modules. Select a color scheme. Adjust the layout. Then click Publish, and you're in business, online. And visitors to your website won't get frustrated on mobile devices because it will automatically be optimized for easy viewing. Keep your website current and engaging with blogging that's integrated with a powerful online discussion and commenting network. Sell your products and services online with a free shopping cart and online store that grows with your needs. Add social sharing tools so your visitors can like, tweet, or share your content on hundreds of social media services. You can even publish a copy of your website to Facebook and update it with a single click. Fine-tune website keywords for better search results and monitor activity, including web traffic, discussions, and online store sales right on your website dashboard. Don't wait any longer. You can build a great-looking website for your business in minutes today with Parallels Web Presence Builder.